Welcome to your careers account. This is your homepage of your careers account. You can find this by searching your careers account on the student intranet if you haven't been on here before. On the homepage, you'll see a pathways icon. To access the career confident pathway, if you click on here, you'll then see an available tab, and the career confidence pathway will be available here. If you click on preview and then start, that will then get you onto the career confident pathway. And once you've started the pathway, all your activities will then be recorded through the pathway and you can work your way through it. You can view all the activities by clicking on the tile, read through, and once you've completed the activity, just remember to submit so that your tally will go up